Good morning, students. This is Rahul, sir. Today we are going to continue our exercise 15.6. Yesterday we have solved up to question number 5. Today we are going to solve next further questions. Let's see question number 6, what it says. A quarter circle of radius 3.5 centimeter is cut away from each corner of a square of side 7 centimeter. Find the area and perimeter of the remaining figure. Okay, shaded portion. We have to find out the area of the shaded portion and also perimeter of the shaded portion. So the radius is given 3.5 centimeter and S means side of the square is 7 centimeter. And please pay attention one more thing here, that angle of a square is always 90 degree. So x will be 90 degree and each corner portion will be a quarter of a circle. So we know the formula for area of a sector is pi r square x upon 360. So area of one quarter will be, we will put the values here, 22 upon 7, r is 3.5 square into x is 90 degree upon 360. We will solve it and we will get 9.625 centimeter square. Now we will find area of square equal to s square, side square. Okay, so side value is 7, so 7 square equal to 49 centimeter square. Now area of shaded portion will be area of square minus area of one quarter into 4. Why? Because we have four quarters, na? So area of one quarter multiplied by 4. We will subtract this from area of square. So area of square is 49 minus area of one quarter is 9.625 into 4. We will solve this. We will get 10.5 centimeter square. Now we have found the area of the shaded region. Now a arc length of one quarter. Listen, we have the shaded portion in which arc length of all the four quarters, if we add all the length of arc, we can get the perimeter of this shaded portion. So let's find out the arc length of one quarter. So 2 pi r into x upon 360 to 2 into pi value 22 upon 7 into r is 3.5 into 90 upon 360, that is 5.5 centimeter. Now perimeter of shaded portion will be 4 into arc length of one quarter, that is 4 into 5.5, that is 22 centimeter. This question is quite a good question, and remaining question, all questions are a little bit tricky questions. So if you find this question difficult, you can replay these questions and you can solve these questions. Okay, see this video again and again. Let's move to the next question. Question number 7 and 8 are similar to like the previous questions also, but question number 9 is quite a different and quite a difficult question. So please pay attention in this question and let's solve this question again. What is the area of the segment ACB if the arc AB subtends an angle 45 degree at the center and the radius of the circle is 10.5 centimeter. The length of the chord is 7 centimeter. Take root for 98 equal to 9.9. So the circle has been given here and the sector has been given, and if the sector is making an angle 45 degree at the center, and we have to find out the area of segment, not sector. We have to find out the area of segment ACB. Okay, so what we have to do, first let's find out this area of triangle OAB. Okay, area of triangle OAB. So what we have to do, listen, this is that's why I told you this is a little tricky question, so pay attention in this. So what we will do, we will draw a perpendicular on side AB. This side means this chord which is given here, chord AB, and from point O. So AOD is the perpendicular from O on side AB. So this is isosceles triangle because OA and OB are equal. OA and OB are equal. So this is isosceles triangle, and perpendicular drawn from vertex to another side is perpendicular bisector of the side. So AD and DB will be equal, and that will be equal to 7 by 2, that is 3.5 centimeter. In triangle OAD, Pythagoras theorem, we will apply Pythagoras theorem here. So OA square equal to AD square plus OD square. So OA is 10.5 square equal to 3.5 square plus OD square. OD square will be 98 and OD equal to root 98. In our question, root 98 the value is given 9.9 centimeter. Now area OAB will be, because we have found out the perpendicular distance OD and we have already have base AB, so we can directly find area of triangle OAB, that is half AB into OD. So half 7 into 9.9 and that will be 34.65 centimeter square. Now area sector OACB, we have to find out area sector of OACB, that is pi r square upon 360 into x. So 22 upon 7, r is 10.5 square into 45 upon 360. We will solve this. We will get 43.3125 centimeter square. Now area segment ACB will be equal to area OACB minus area OAB. So area of sector is 43.3125 minus area of triangle 34.645, that is 8.6625 centimeter square. So okay, so this question is quite a tricky question, and please revise this question at least twice or thrice. If you are not able to understand this question, see this video again and again and try to understand this. Let's move to the further questions. Question number 10 and 11 are similar. Let's move to question number 12. Find the area of shaded portion in each figure. In question number first, here square of side 10 is given, so you can find out the area of the square, and circle has been given, so the diameter will be equal to 10 and radius will be 10 by 2, that is 5 centimeter. So after that you can find out the radius, so you can find out the area of circle. So find out the area of square and subtract the area of circle, you can get the area of shaded portion. Likewise you can solve the question number second also. In third portion, find the area of circle and subtract the area of sector, you can get that. Similarly question number 4 can also be done. So we can solve these questions, and let's complete this exercise. Thank you.